Keblai Pibaro Shakatup Khubor Jungi Gadon Bosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Menta Kasingi Kilong. Yasoy Soskular Penbet Port Kamiglaya but Assam Hapading Kajing Don Rinkat Umintri Korbari Amit Shah Jang Sorkar Kami. Shah Japan and Yolik Kinong Rep Miglaya Banit Jingo Ekrukom Rep Yautit Shitaki. Janjau umat orang Badong maupun beurlong ke Surok Hadin Bunsnem. But what RTI orang ba bamyo shu ya kabayway kali porbawan Amit Shah. But mentangin pa shiki Khubor bakam benya. Kamiglaya kabalamat ikijing kaput but ka Assam mentala Sun Post nem kalaya soy ka soskular penbet put but ka Assam ha New Delhi ha kajing don ringkat umintri kam korbari jong ka sorkar kami Amit Shah. Umintri Rangba Ka Jylla Konrad Kisangma ha kajing pathai Khubor jong menta kasngi uloong ba kajing la banya penbet ya uput usam hapading Kamiglaya but Assam ha ki hinriutli ki jaka kaput ba ya pher jingmut but ban poi shadu kajing soy soskular kalong ke ka bansa jingkan mau ha ka history jong Kamiglaya. Umintri Rangba ulay thu ba kani kajing penbet ya uput usam hapading kini ki artli ki Jylla kandang yai beteng Haki wepat ki hinriutli ki jaka ba Kamiglaya but ka Assam ka don kajing pher jingmut.
Today we have signed the agreement between Assam and Meghalaya in the presence of the Honorable Home Minister, and it's a historic day for the people of Meghalaya and Assam both, and for the Northeast region as a whole, because a 50-year-long dispute which has been there and the areas of differences which have been there, we have taken a major step towards finding a permanent solution to those problems. And we have signed today, agreed on 6 locations based on the MOU that was signed between Assam and Meghalaya on the 29th of January. And we will continue to work to finding solutions to the next 6 locations in the areas of differences that are there. At this point in time, I would like to thank our Honorable Home Minister for his guidance and for his leadership. It was on his direction that both the state governments came together and took this matter up in a very serious manner. And so I thank him. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam for all the work that has been done from Assam government side. I also would like to thank all the regional committee members who have played a very important role in making this entire thing possible, and all the officials who have worked very hard to come to this conclusion.
Kinong rep Kamiglaya po kajing alam jong ka Hill Farmers Union da kajing Trelang but ka Mushroom Development Center Horticulture Department but ka company Yachts Corporation ka bana Japan kinhikai kinong rep kumno ban pentibit kinong rep da ka ba rukom rep ka da kajing start jong ki kor ki bor kat kum kajing yat ka por ye kani kajing let jong kinong rep sha Japan na pentikna hadin kajing kendu jong kinong alam jong ka Hill Farmers Union ye kinong Japan ha New Delhi shwa bikinit pa shalakari. Nakaliang kini kinong Japan kilapan pawi kajingkmen bawat hadin kajing pendik kababon na marka klam Henry kakam kalayat chat but shen ngin sayo ban sam no yu sembai sya kinong rep ban rep yu titung.
Taman yekran kam tam hagwedi ban ina kajing rep yu titung. Dan nagling jungi ngidan Delhi nam taki wik kam nam taki isu jing kinong rep. Te rimatang ilayo ban yakendu biang. Te nagling cuki kelawan jingo Shillong te kajing penkrek kalayat chat. Te nang ne sikmat ngakwa ban kentui kinong rep bikin long ready no. An ni haban ya barok khot ki di ban wan lang hapo ka cooperative society namangin ai shwa ya ki nomrep ki ban don bat ka society ke jungi te ki di ban ya sedang no nakling jungi ro ngila dep order ka machine na kamentaban shna ya uni u sponge la ne u bolong kum u bolong kum ni u block na kamentaban shna ya uni u titung te shen ngin sa sam ki nomrep tang baswa ka tang akwa babaro ki ni wan lang hapo ka cooperative society ki di ban long ki member ki di ban ya kit share lang tang ba ki sung try ki ne ka kam te shen ngin sa sedang te ngelaya kren ro hang ni rengkat batki bangin sa le jingo ro sa Japan le sa hobenai September bat ngangin skam kan ro kan urlong tingi ai kublai ro yo chief minister ai kublai re yo agriculture minister kiba la yarap lang na mentawan penya syak phang ye kene kam bat kumju ro ye commissioner bo KN Kumaro tingi nge skam kene kam kan ya sakmat te ni kermen bakani ka shite kumsum kan wanra ye ka ban yarap ban pen kenti we ka yo ka kot ban double ki income jong kinong rep ko ka Jylla hi bro ka.
The Ministry of Commerce and Industry mentagasngi ka arp khandai tre ulber arjar arpuar ka lepelong ye ka jingi kenduk lang jong kinong de be kinong thet iki marep. Ia kabala tip kum ka International Buyer Seller Meet bala pelong ha State Convention Center Shillong. Hakani kasngi la donlang Dr. Vijay Kumar D, IAS Commissioner and Secretary Agriculture and Farmers Welfare jong Sarkar Meghalaya. Hakani kasngi lawan bani shimenta de kinong rap but kinong khayi ki mar beper jong ki nakaling kaperthai.
For example, ginger, we have very huge volume. Ginger, our production today is about 60,000 metric tons. At some point, it used to be higher, so a decade ago, but because of various reasons, the production is going down. So ginger is one crop where we have a very high volume. But if you take turmeric we have about 10,000 metric tons of Lakadong turmeric. I'm sure everybody here, the single biggest USP for Meghalaya's horticulture today is Lakadong turmeric, which is the best turmeric in the world, which has a curcumin content of ranging from 7 to 10%, whereas the average turmeric that is grown in the plains, etc., has a curcumin of 1 to 2%.
Urang ba dong kasnang maupun umlingka uba ti buroy ula janjau ummat hadin bu menteri ketenatsin adi ba Hamlet Sendolling ula penbena ban phashna no da kasurok ba R. New Pusau klur tingka hakati kasnang. Nakaliang urang ba dong habakren shaban pli umau nongrim ulai thu bikinong shnong khamtam ki khna school bun sin ki habanit phaying no namar ka jingsit kti halinti. Hakani kasngi bu yu mau nongrim uba Hamlet ula pentip ru bakakam kan sedang no shen nakabenta kajing mentoi kinong shnong.
Sebenarnya mata kita lihat benar dia lala pentinyo ikini sok maupun jongpi artro job solang lala pentinyo ikini sok LinkedIn laitro kesanlang lala pentinyo ikini kesrok sampai kolosutun pada menteri menagisi artro sampula. Dekat kemana yang persang banpan wisudrat cebun ba baru akan baik-baik dia nanti. Jika dia sok mentah ini, ketika serok kebanai kejiran untuk jadi program nasional ini pada maupun.
Bang dapat jadi sukmen beliau yang minisa bukan melejongi. Bang samla bah dan kain bah jumur jumperhat. Om tang bau samla hak luhurian. Om tang bau samla hak dok. Samla hak musim. Samla hak jumur jumperhat. Samla kam tam ruh hati kam baro, balapan merek serum seneng, balapan ini kecing baro, bandingnya lembajong ini kecing kami imat labun bun senam, apa jong kadang lembajong ini senam, bak lembajong ini gerang kertong dijongi, kita klaim bat kita sama, kita maksud yang ini kecing apa jong kadang dijongi, dan kalian kejung aku murah pada usul penjawab umat kemen.
Unong wat RTI bapau nam ka Jylla uba dispersing rani hakasngi baar ulai thu bulawat saka RTI banyo jingshai halor ka jingslem jong ka sarkar ban pelat nyo ya ka baywai kali ba ka sarkar ka wai porbawan menteri kampo yeng kari u Amit Shah hau kelalengkot jong snem baladem. Habakren bikilat bathai Khubor uba dispersing ulo ongru bakat kum ka RTI bulayo na ke NEC la kedau baya kete ka baywai kali ka bakot chaka arpo ar lak tingka la debban pelat chaka sarkar Jylla.
Kajuba kalong ba kampat release ka phone na po NEC. Dikata ka jingom plane jongki ka pelong yang a banyarap ya kita kisau spa teli ke kali. Te hadian bangalerap nglayale ada ka RTI ya po NEC ndri ka ba kabasngo komik babasngo pla kalong ba kata ka jingong jongki 4 yo phone na po NEC ndri ka RTI report ka bangayo na po NEC la pentip sanga ba ka fisal adep ai siapa ka komen o Meghalaya lang ba Commissioner of Transport hadu arpu ar lak pra pu khandai hajar drius pa pratangka adep release ngane pisa sya ka government of Meghalaya lang ba transport lang ba Commissioner jong transport Tikane kajing syukur ba kajing thok jong ne ka department ng transport department kalong ka bomla pediang namar ba kini ki brio elementar ting bomdon kamai tik bapli kala don bok ba kawai ka government namta kane kajingwan jong ne Amit Shah ka arflai arfsau tarik timta along sistem arbanai tam te sistem arbanai par yo bisa te hadin balai keli na pada transport men ki ong pat ai na ka NEC dikane ka RTI pada penisha ba ka NEC ba de release ya ka bisa. Tiga jingkeli kalong balai kini ka komen dan Meghalaya lang bak transport men ka batsa kini bisa jong gini kita kali. Te hadian bakayo RTI tinggal par RTI ka wish ka transport department banbu jingkeli halor ka ne ka jing batsa yak bisa ling baka NEC ke bala release syaka department.
Bat dak itu ki khubor ngila poi syakabakut tat hadu bing nesem biang koble shibon.